And today we're doing the Bean Beazle challenge, and we got our water here. So I'm gonna go first. and we have to close our eyes.
Please don't get toothpaste. That one's my favorite.
I got this one. So where's the box? Let me go get the box. I got the box. Okay, so oh no, this is one of the new ones. Oh wait, never mind. So this one is barf or peach. Oh shoot.
I really hope she gets peach.
I don't like barf. Who eats barf? It's peach! Yay!
Okay, my turn, everyone.
Close your eyes.
I hate this one. I got blue.
Ooh, it's rather toothpaste or blueberry.
Please be toothpaste. I love toothpaste.
Yay! It's blueberry! Okay, my turn.
It's so good.
Oh, well. This one. What is this one? This is a stinky socks or tutti frutti. Oh, it smells like stinky socks!
My turn, everyone. I hope I get a good one.
No, smell it for reals. Oh my god! That one's out. I'm not even gonna bother eating that. Mommy, smell this! Smell this! It smells like stinky socks!
So I got
It's out.
I got that. And
It's either barf or peach. Or dead fish or strawberry banana smoothie.
I'm gonna eat it.
I can't believe how they made the stinky socks into a jelly bean. Yuck. Yuck. Yuck.
I'm gonna eat it.
That smells so bad. Okay, so it's my turn. This one.
It smells bad, but it tastes good.
So this one is rather lime chistles or lime. It's lime. I have these kind of jelly beans. We went to Texas. There's like this.
My turn.
Green.
I hope I get cola. If there's any cola.
No, the brown one is caramel dog food or chocolate pudding.
Chocolate pudding. Please be. Oh my gosh. Smell it.
It doesn't smell bad.
I know. This tastes good. It tastes like bubble gum.
Okay, so it's my turn.
It really tastes like bubble gum. It's so good.
Coconut, my man. Coconut. So this is rather spoiled milk or coconut.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Oh,
What is it?
it's spoiled milk.
Now, I got this one. Now, let's eat it.
Bro, spoiled milk.
I got coconut.
Dude, it tastes weird.
No! Give me some. Wait, was it this one that you spit out?
Disgusting. You should have seen her face. Oh.
I got spoiled milk when I was on the road. Ew.
Don't look at her.
Okay, I need water.
Okay, so I'm going to go with this green one. So it's rather lunch chips or lime? This one, that one is Itty Juicy Bear. Or
Why did I do that? I'm gonna throw up.
it's long chips. I got the first one, not the second one, not lime.
Here, I got the same thing as my sister. Let's eat it.
I can't believe this is spoiled milk with coconut.
Oh, now here comes the. It tastes like a leaf.
So I'm gonna get this one. This is rather caramel dog food or chocolate pudding.
What is it?
Bro, huh? In the end, we'll show you how much we spit it out. What is it?
This is so gross. Like,
This is booger.
ew! Oh,
You say some of these booger.
what is it? Booger?
No, it's long chunks. It's
Okay.
called long chunk.
I'm gonna get this.
Bro, it's gross. Okay, one more for me and we're done. We're done. What?
This tastes like a rotten sock. It smells good, tastes bad.
Okay, last but not least, I'll get this one. This is rather, oh, it's moldy cheese or caramel corn.
This is either spoiled milk or. What the heck? Yeah, it's not spoiled milk.
So if you like, so we're done with the jelly beans. So So this is how much we spit it out. Yep. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to watch more of our videos.
If you
And
want,
comment down below what is the worst bean bean.
I see a little bit of milk dripping out.
What is your favorite? What is the disgusting bean-beazled bean you have tasted ever? I have to go with the rotten milk. The
Spoiled.
the spoiled milk right there. The first one right there. The spoiled milk. So bye guys.